Hi, and welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button. It's free and it will ensure you won't miss any future videos. Next, we lay out the bars in the cheek. Lightly at first, just to establish a pattern. Then we go back over it and darken it up a little bit sporadically again. Getting close. Then we start working on the back. The next color I like to use is yellow ochre. Anywhere your reference shows it should be. The next color I like to use is sienna. I go over a lot of the same areas I just covered with the yellow ochre, but you get an outer ring of the sienna and it's a nice blend. Again, look at your reference. Then a little chocolate brown around the eye. Blend these colors together, and a little black. The next thing you might want to do is just touch up a little bit of white here and there. Take care of any overspray as it needs it. Next thing I do is clean up the eye. Now I'm going to take some gold Pearl X powder on a very small brush and tip the scales on the upper portion of this fish. Getting most of the scales. Now just a little before and after. Looks a little harsh now, but after you get the clear coat on, it does soften up a bit. Now we hit this with a quick coat of clear lacquer to seal it in. Nice thin coat. And the last step is applying the gloss. This is where the fish really comes alive. I use a two-part automotive. I put the first flash coat on very thin. I wait about 15 minutes and then I come in with a heavier coat. And then the final coat. Now we just make sure that it's covered evenly. So here's the finished fish. All done except I'm going to put it on a piece of driftwood. Now if you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button. I put a lot of free information out there in my videos and haven't made a penny off of them. I have like 50 years of knowledge that I'd like to share in future videos, and I enjoy making them, but not if I don't see interest. So please hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more. Thank you.